to support the project.
Well, here I am, Waikiki Beach, 8 October 2019, right here on the beach. As you come out here, and there's the Pacific Ocean over there, as you can see, and all that driftwood around me. And we just came down from up there, and we're going to walk over here to where some of these logs are over here then. Okay, I'm walking here. I'm on Waikiki Beach. Little watering eyes here, but all right, here we go. All kinds of driftwood that has piled up on shore here. You can see just like tons of it here. I think this is Waikiki Beach, but I'll put the name down at the bottom here so you can see it later. And look at all this good wood here. Well, I could build a house out of most of this here. You cut this up, get some nice logs, run it through the planer, and finish this off. Boy, you can make some nice tables out of this too here. So there's the rest of the group back there. But coming down here, this is Pacific Ocean, I believe. Okay, here we go. I'm here. I'm walking down here, checking it out. All right, let's see what there is here. There's the ocean here coming in. Coming in here. I don't have my stick with me, so I have to hold the camera in my hand here. And as you can see, there's a lighthouse up there. I don't know the name of that lighthouse, but that's Cape Disappointment or not here. But at the Pacific Ocean here. All right, come back here, the rest of our group here. A little closer to all this driftwood or logs and different things that are piled up on the beach. Boy, this would be some good wood here. You could plane this stuff down and make some kind of good craft projects. Rest of our group down there. But look at all this wood here. Looks like somebody built a little shelter up there. See what that's all about. I don't know. Sand's a little softer right here. Oh, somebody built a nice little shelter here. Even got a front porch that they made. Right here with logs. So you got your nice floorboards in there. Got yourself a little bench, a little couch or whatever. Nice logs. Doesn't look too waterproof, that's for sure, but give you some shelter here. And another one here of just all different logs, but there's still some good wood in here. Well, I tell you, you could do a lot of things with those here. All kinds of wood here. Everything, I guess, when the waves come in, they just wash all this stuff in here. Looking for some booty or some bounty here. See if I find anything good. Just washed up a couple scavengers back there. But I don't There's the lighthouse that we saw from down on Waikiki Beach. And I'm up at the Lewis and Clark Interpretive Center right now. And one of our guides is talking in back of me, but I'm going to have to go into the sun here a little bit. And as I pan around here to the right, we were down there somewhere, probably around that inside there where you could just see the lighthouse. Couldn't really see this, but let me go back to the guide here.